Hi and welcome to Krokbragd weaving on an Inkle Loom. My name is Kelly and I'm going to be leading you on this exciting adventure where we will learn more about the Krokbragd structure. We're going to have a look at how to use a weaving draft and how to turn it to weave turned Krokbragd, which is what we need to do to weave a beautiful warp-faced band on our Inkle Loom. We're going to talk about gaining confidence with colour, calculations, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set up your Inkle Loom to weave this beautiful weave structure. I'll teach you how to read the threading drafts and how to understand the weaving sequence. There are 4 original designs of bands included in this class, as well as 2 additional bands in the How to Design section. The first band, which is the Tulip band, will be our foundation class. In that class, you will learn all of the steps that you will need to take regardless of which design you are weaving. In the How to Design section, I'm going to show you how to take an existing weaving draft and turn that into an Inkle draft. And I'm also going to be taking you through some wonderful pattern software that is free to use that will really level up your Krokbragd design. Now there are 2 ways that you could approach this class. You can follow all of the instructions exactly, including the colours and everything that I use in the class, or you can delve in deeper, you can change the designs, you can work with some different yarns and colours, and you can delve right in and learn how to design your own bands so that you will have your own original Krokbragd designs. Whichever way you decide to do the class, you are definitely going to end up with some gorgeously unique bands that you can be proud of. I believe this is the most comprehensive Krokbragd Inkle class that you will find anywhere. I'm sharing absolutely everything that I know with you, and I'm sure that this is going to be the beginning of a wonderfully exciting journey for you and your Inkle Loom. So let's get started and I'll see you in class.